Greetings everyone, I'm Mike Parsons, and this is a quick tutorial video on working with PDFs, editing PDFs, and printing files to PDFs. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is download the software. If you go to Foxit, F-O-X-I-T, software.com, this is the one that I use. It's free. It's pretty simple. It works really well. So go to this website, click this download link, and you're going to download this version right here, the Foxit Reader, the free version. Click this button, click download, and just install the exe file when it's finished downloading. When you do, it does two things. It adds a printer to your printer list. So whatever application you go to, I'm going to go to Outlook here, and I'm just going to open up this email, and I'm going to print it. And you can see here my Foxit Reader PDF printer is here. So I can click OK. I can select the location where I want to download. I'm going to pick my desktop, and I'm just going to rename the file test 123 and click save. And so from here, what it's going to do is I've printed it to a PDF or just made a PDF document. And what it does is it opens that file up for you, and this is the PDF editor. And the other thing that it does is it saves that file to the location right here. So okay, so here's the file. So that's basically just printing documents to PDFs, right? So that's great, whether you're in Rent Manager or whatever application you're in, you can still print to this PDF and save it to your desktop, and then from there, you can just shoot it out in an email. Saves a lot of time as far as printing things and scanning them. Save some paper, save some time. Great. One of the other things that you can do is once you get in this program, again, instead of having to print it out, make notations by hand and then scanning it back in, you can basically do it all from here. So there's a couple different tools here. There's the select text button. So for selecting things, copying and pasting is great. The hand tool, which just lets you move the document around. One thing that I use a lot is a shortcut, and basically what you do is you hold down Control on your keyboard, which is that button in the very bottom left, and then if you have a scroll wheel on your mouse, if you scroll up, it zooms in, and if you scroll down or towards you, it zooms out. So it's a quick, easy way to kind of get the zoom under control. I know that drives a lot of people crazy. So that's basically just working with the document. Okay, so some of the other tools. If you go into Comment, you have a highlight tool, which is right here, ABC. So just select that. As you can see, it's in light blue now, so that means it's been selected. You can also see it on my cursor. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, so we can highlight the stuff here. Zoom back out, and typewriter is a really good one. So again, you have your cursor here, you just type in some gibberish, and this one I use a lot is it's called the call out tool. And basically what it is, you just select it, and then you can click and then drag and then unclick. You have a little box, your cursor is already in there, and you can just start typing whatever you want, which is great. One other one that I use a lot is this arrow tool. So the same thing, click where you want the end of the arrow to be, continue to hold down the left mouse button, and then once you want the end of the arrow to be, unclick. And that is about it. There's a lot of other tools in here. I really honestly don't use them that much. There's a stamp tool I use every once in a while. It just puts your name, the time, the date on there, and you can do signatures. I'll do another tutorial video on that because it takes a minute to get it set up. Where is the signature button? Okay, so when you go to home, it's right here, PDF sign. You can just go to create a signature, and you basically just upload the file, and it works a lot like this stamp does. You can basically just select your signature and then click wherever you want to sign the document, which is great because you don't have to print, sign, scan, and then email. Okay, so that is installing a PDF editor and a PDF printer, printing documents to a PDF, and then once they're printed to a PDF, editing, making any type of annotations that you need to make, and then saving them. Again, just works just like Microsoft Word, so it's pretty straightforward. Here's the save button. Click save this, close this out. Here's the PDF again. I'll open it up and show you. Everything's still there. So again, once you have this on your desktop, it's easy as just right-clicking it, hit send to mail recipient, and you can see here it's already been attached. It kind of already puts some text in here, and then just put your email address in and click send. It's that straightforward. And I didn't spell test right there apparently. Oh, it's saying it's a repeated word. Okay, so ignore that. And that's it. Alright, so if you guys have any questions about PDF editors, there's one thing it doesn't do, unfortunately, because it's a free version, which is OCR. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. So if somebody does send you a PDF that's been scanned, that was a paper document, and they scanned it in, typically like Adobe Acrobat Reader, the not free version of Adobe that I think most people already use, has it. But basically, you can just click that button, and the OCR will search through the text and make it, searchable, so you can cut paste it and stuff like that. But I think that costs like $80, so whatever. All right, that's it. If you guys got any questions, emails mparsons@americanmanagement.net. Right here. All right, thanks. Bye.